Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's really been a while since I did a tutorial here. So in this video we're going to be doing a different coil pattern. So definitely this is what I'll be using to achieve the coil pattern shown before. So this is also a styling mousse, then a deep conditioner and your water. So the first thing you will do is to part your hair, like divide your hair into sections. Just watch the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, like, and always remember to share them with your friends if you find it useful. So I'll be achieving this like by sectioning the hair into small tiny bits. So the first thing to do is to mix your conditioner and your water, then spray it over the hair. Make sure the hair is like well saturated with the mixture. Then you now comb the hair to give it that smooth effect. After you're done with that, that's when you now apply your styling mousse. The styling mousse is to give it a firm roll. So for this tutorial I'll be using a Flexi Rod. So you just twist the hair as seen on or as shown on this video. Twist the hair all the way from top to bottom, all the way from top to bottom. Just make sure you grip the hair really well so it will like twist just like you do your normal twist. Try to twist the hair really good so the outcome will be magical. So guys, you will repeat this process all the way to the top part of the hair. Actually this wig is a frontal wig. It's just a wavy, or should I say bounce frontal wig. So we did say you could achieve a bouncy coils, a wavy coils, deep wave, Hollywood wave, whichever one it is. So for this particular tutorial we actually looking forward to achieve a deep wave. So guys, this is what the hair looks like after the whole process. So I'll be going in with my holding spray to give it that firm look after I unravel it. So I'm just going to spray it all over the hair like this. I left the hair to air dry for about 3 days. You could leave it for 2 to 3 days or more, but the longer you leave the hair on the coils, the more firm it looks. So I left mine for just 3 days, and this is me unraveling it. This is how I unravel it from the top to the bottom. Like, try to unhook that front part just like this and straighten it, then now unravel the hair as shown. So guys, this is what the hair looks like after unraveling. So I'm going to be combing out, not necessarily combing everything out, but I'm using a rat tail comb to like drag the hair. I'm not combing it fully, I'm just trying to separate the coils so it will look wavy enough. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. So just watch and follow the steps as seen on your screen. So this is me trying to like join the coils, the pattern of the coils together. Okay, I'm just trying to join everything together so it won't look separated. That's exactly what I'm doing. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you liked this tutorial, do well to leave a like, drop your comments. You can also leave a suggestion and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share this video if you find it helpful. Thank you once again guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.